Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to get Snapchat Plus and also some of the Snapchat Plus features. So first of all, as you know, Snapchat Plus unlocks new and exclusive features. Now it is a paid subscription platform from Snapchat. Now as you can see here, Snapchat Plus is a Snapchat's new subscription plan available on iPhone and Android. Now for $4 per month, Snapchat Plus lets you change the app icon and see who rewatch your stories among other features. Now keep in mind, these are just, a couple of features that are like a core feature, right? And then also Snapchat intends to add more Plus features over time, but some of those features might end up being available to all users as well, right? So as you can see, if we go here to the second website, these are the features that, Snapchat Plus offers. So ghost trails on the map, you have best friends forever, you can pin your best friends, which is pretty awesome. Story rewatch indicator, custom app icons and themes, Snapchat Plus badge, friends solar system, Snapchat for web, which is pretty big news, and it's a pretty big feature for Snapchat Plus, I would say, because you can actually use Snapchat on the web. Then you have priority story replies, right? Post view emojis and Bitmoji backgrounds, right? So these are the core features from Snapchat Plus currently. They will be adding much more features, they said. Now Snapchat Plus already has 1 million users as of right now, which is pretty insane. And as you can see, this is how Snapchat for web actually looks like, right? So this is Snapchat on web. You will be able to call your friends, you will be able to post stories from web, to chat with your friends from web, and do a lot other stuff from web. Now let me show you, and let's jump on my phone and let me show you how to actually acquire Snapchat Plus and how to get started. So as you can see, we're currently on my phone currently right here. As you can see, this is the map. Now what we need to do is we need to click on the left upper icon, which is our profile. So we can click on our profile. Here, as you can see, you have Snapchat Plus already recommended. If you don't have, you will have to just you will have to exit out of notifications here. So you'll just have to click X on the notification, and then Snapchat Plus will pop up. Now you can click on Snapchat Plus here, and as you can see, you can start 1 month or you can start for 12 months, which is 1 year. So you can actually pay a subscription for 1 year or for 1 month. Now for me, it says 35, which is my currency, right? But it will be $4 for everyone on 1 month basis, or in 12 months, you will get 15% off, which is pretty awesome. Now, as you can see, you can also restore purchases and contact support right here. But this is pretty much how to get to your Snapchat Plus. It's really simple, really easy, and yeah. So if you have any questions about Snapchat Plus, leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to answer your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.